The book of Jubilees reveal when Noah prayed to have the seed of the fallen be destroyed from among his sons and their children. After Noah's prayer were heard, the spirit named Mastema asked the Most High to allow some of the seed of the fallen to remain on earth to judge men, because men were wicked. With the permission of the Most High, some of the Nephilim stayed under the control of the spirit called Mastema. I believe Mastema is Satan. The rest of the seed of the fallen were destroyed. The Most High locked down the angels that sin in chains. These angels are waiting their judgment when the end comes. The Bible confirms.